very excited to share with you that we have been entrusted with the sale of, and will be bringing to the market soon, the most important McLaren road car collection. This collection isn't just special because all of the cars within it are the very best of their type and unique. It's extra special because of the home that they're coming from. The owner was one of the founders of the McLaren Automotive Group. He was also one of the most loved individuals to ever grace Formula One. And he played a pivotal role in the success of not just one, but two teams winning world championships in such. This is the Mansour Ojjeh collection.